Hey, yo.
Say pimps and players, or what it do? My name is Kesey and welcome back to my channel. So I'm always getting questions about my lips. How do I line them? What do I use? So I thought I'd just give y'all a little video to show y'all how I achieve my signature lip. So let's get into it. I was doing a video and I was like, I could just show her how to do my lips real quick. So I use this Kiss lip liner and then I use Wet n Wild pencil liner. So yeah, and you don't really need this one. I just use this one to give me like a little bit of a purple effect. If you just want brown, just use the pencil, but I want a little purple in the back, so I'm gonna start with this one first. And with the pencil, don't go like directly on, like go sideways. And for the top lip, I kind of just fill in the whole lip. And I mean, it don't really matter. Sometimes I use the fancy gloss bomb, but most of the time I just use quick gloss. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe.